What's up, everybody? So, I haven't done a Quora Partner Program video in a long time. So if you're one of the Roblox people who hears for my Roblox content, you can click away. Or maybe you can watch for it and see how I used to make money back in the old days. So there's this guy in my chat named Dio Brando, and he always asks me for a QPP video, and I haven't done one in a long time. So I'm going to show you an easy way to ask questions and earn lots of money, right? Now, the thing you need to know about Quora is there's like, how do you get your money, right? You get your money from views, okay? And another thing about Quora is your questions only last 1 year, but you probably already know that. And that's why I'm earning $0. So I guess I might start a little bit of a series, maybe. We'll see how it goes. But I'm going to ask some questions, right? So I already asked a couple questions here. Is Bluetooth harmful to the human body, and are harmful algal blooms, I don't even know what that is, algal blooms increasing? Now you may ask yourself, how did I come up with these questions, okay? How do I come up with questions that are going to earn me lots and lots of money, okay? The trick is you have to ask questions that you know are going to get lots of views from what? Google, okay? And how do you do that? You're going to want to find keywords that give you lots of money. I've been saying this through all my videos, okay? Now the problem is, a lot of the keywords are already used, right? So, what's the secret to finding new keywords, right? Boom. You see this right here? Random word generator. Boom. What? Okay, harmful, right? So we got this word harmful. Now you might be like, okay, now I need to come up with questions about being harmful, okay? Well, how do you do that? Well, you go to a website like Keyword Tool. There's lots of questions like this. Look, and basically, once you go to keyword.com, you just type in, okay, harmful, right? Harmful. Okay, harmful, blah, 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 whatever. What is this? mc.randex.ru? Well, it ain't loading. Well, that kind of ruins the video a little bit, but, alas, let's try one last time. Maybe it'll load for us. I completely misspelled it. It literally isn't loading right now, so let's see if we can go back. No, we cannot. We'll try this one last time. Okay, sending requests to Google Analytics, blah blah blah. It's doing some things in the background, right? So you just go here and you get yourself a random word. In this case, harmful. Unfortunately, this isn't loading, so we're gonna try an alternative browser here. Chrome. I hate Chrome. Chrome can go kill itself. But yeah. Let's see. Harmful. Okay, it actually loaded, right? Okay. This is how you figure out the questions, right? So you search on Keyword Tool. It's gonna show you this page, right? So this is keyword suggestions here. Okay. Now you want to go to this questions thing, right? And these are the questions you can ask. Now the problem is you can't actually ask these questions because you're going to get flagged and you can get banned, right? You have to ask questions similar to these. Okay, so let's go to descending because we're ballers, right? So is Bluetooth harmful? I turned that into is Bluetooth harmful to the human body, okay? Let's add a question here, right? This is all about 5G. Why? Yeah, here we go. Here's a question. It's probably already been asked. We might get merged, but why is chocolate harmful to pets? Somebody already asked that one, so we can't ask it. Then maybe we say, oh, is chocolate harmful, that's the keyword, to the human body? Boom. Here we go. Add new question. Alright, boom. And you can just add as many of these as you want, no worries. Don't even worry about it. And I personally, you can ask a couple people. You don't have to. Honestly, like don't spam requests. That's just gonna get you banned. We can't have that. Here we go. Here's a funny one. Why is papaya harmful during pregnancy? Is papaya, this one that feels like it's gonna go well. Let's see. Is papaya harmful during pregnancy? Alright, so we add this question. Well, somebody already added. We have to edit it. So is papaya harmful to the human body? Alright. And it looks good. No duplicates. Now, if it might flag your question, you might get marked as a duplicate, so you'll just lose all the earnings for that, but it's not a big deal. Alright, then you just go back here. Okay. A lot of these have already been asked before, so let's try a new random word here. Generate random words, instinct. I don't know if this is going to be a great one, but we can try it. And you're going to want to get very fast at this, okay? Very fast at this. We'll go to descending. Should I believe my instincts? When was a time when you should have trusted your instinct / guts? That's a baller question. When was a time when you should have trusted your instincts or guts? Boom. Life advice. All of these are great things here. That question, you could just picture somebody writing a nice paragraph to that and people reading that and then you getting ad revenue from that. It's that easy. All right here. All right, but the problem with Quora Partner Program is you're going to have to ask lots of questions, okay? Look how many questions I've asked. Over almost 30,000 questions, and I'm earning like not that much per question. Again, most of these have been merged. But yeah. Again, this average question value is kind of accurate. But, yeah, it's not like the best. Thing is, I have some banger questions, right? Earnings all time, but like, you can't really predict if it's going to be a smash or a pass, you know? Alright, this just completely bricked on me. Maybe I don't know. Let's try one last time. Earnings all time. There we go. Like, look at these top questions. Is a conference call possible in Google Duo? How in the world would I know this was going to be baller, right? I know it has two keywords, conference call and Google Duo. But, like, how was I supposed to know that this is going to pop off and earn me $100 for one question? Or this one. Can I use an iPhone 4S in 2019? $110. Are plantains keto? What the heck? $59 for that? Does Snapchat have dark mode? $53 for that. Come on. How was I supposed to know? But these are some great tricks you can use to get there, right? Boom, aware, block. Here, block is a good one. Let's try block. Boom, questions. I don't know. Some of these don't make any sense to me, right? Are block heels in style in 2021? Let's try it. Are block heels in style in 2021? Right? Boom. There's a nice question there. It's a great question. I definitely think it could get us some earnings. Alright, let's try some more. Are blocks of coal more efficient? This one we might be able to just copy paste, right? Let's try it. Are blocks of coal more efficient? There we go. Boom. It didn't ask us to merge it, so that means we're probably good to go, right? And bang, easy money. Now, hopefully they don't ban me for showing you the secret, but yeah, this is the secret how I got most of my questions, right? Is I maybe not using the questions and copy them directly. That's kind of if you're a noob. I mainly care about the keyword suggestions. So like now I'm gonna ask a question about the blockchain or about Blockbuster. Like, look at this. 100,000 things. And remember, you're getting Quora's value or like search value. So Google ranks Quora questions so high that you're going to get a percentage of this. And then this is another thing you should know. You see this cost per click? This is going to directly influence how much money you're going to make from your questions, okay? You see 25 cents for Blockbuster video, you might not earn any money from that, right? But BlockFi, whatever the heck BlockFi is, we can look it up. BlockFi. Some crypto thing. You're earning $3 per cost per click. You're going to be earning tons of money, right? Okay, so now we can say, oh, this one is a great keyword. It's earning us lots of money. Boom. Now we type in BlockFi into this keyword thing. Here we go. And then we go to questions, right? Boom. Now let's go ask all these questions and earn ourselves a butt ton of money here, man. Because BlockFi is paying out. Oh, like, look, somebody else already got it, right? Somebody else probably already saw this. Are BlockFi loans good? There we go. Add question. Use suggestion. Alright, we're going to make sure to add all these things. Alrighty. Done. Add question. Are BlockFi and Gemini the same? Okay. Let's try. BlockFi and Gemini the same? Boom. This is a crypto thing. Unfortunately, we want to add crypto. Let's see if crypto's a thing. cryptocurrencies? Yeah, let's do that. Again, it's not really astrology, so we're going to maybe put it in computer program networking algorithms. I feel like that's going to be our best bet there. And we can always ask some people. I don't know if he's going to know anything about this, but we can just ask a couple people. Don't spam it. All right. What are BlockFi interest rates? This could be a good question here. I feel like this could, there we go. We'll just use a suggestion. Again, we don't even have to spell check it. It'll just do it for us, which is kind of nice. And again, we're going to go do that. Now, I had to do this 30,000 times to earn $3,000. So you say if it's worth it or not. If you're doing this for hours a day, it can definitely be a nice income. What are BlockFi fees? There we go. Add question. Boom. None of this is good. We want it to be on crypto. I think it's a crypto related thing. So we'll do like, I don't know, crypto plus is the right one. Let's try a different one. Crypto currencies. There we go. Done. Let's ask a couple people. Boom, boom. Now again, you can go about this two ways, right? I tried it both ways, okay? Like, this is the quality way to ask quality questions. And, of course, I also tried asking lots of questions. But these are the kind of things that you want to add, like these big baller questions here with a high CPC, cost per click. All right. So I hope you all enjoyed this. Theo Brando, I hope you use this to make more than $100 that you said you earned. And, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more Quora Partner Program content, or if you're here for my Roblox content, ask what the heck is Quora Partner Program, and maybe you can get up on board this money train, dude. Alright, thanks y'all for hanging with me for this video. Sorry I haven't posted a Quora Partner Program video in like months, but this man finally persuaded me to do it, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. BlandSpot out. Peace.